Nasdaq's colors bright, and futures in our sight. We're here to own the future. Everything's alright. Stream starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion in a Nasdaq ballet. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. Tickers on the rise, and some may fall, but with Nasdaq guides, we can conquer all. Dynamic moves ahead in this financial hall. Join us on this journey, let's answer the call. Stream starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion in a Nasdaq ballet. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. So sit back, relax, the stream's about to start. With Nasdaq's melody, we'll capture your heart. Ooh, yeah. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. Welcome to the market where the bulls and bears play. Watch the numbers dance as we start a brand new day. The Nasdaq's colors bright, the future's in our sight. We're here to own the future, everything's alright. Stream starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion in a Nasdaq ballet. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. Tickers on the rise, and some may fall, but with Nasdaq's guidance, we can conquer all. Dynamic moves ahead in this financial hall. Join us on this journey, let's answer the call. Stream starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion in a Nasdaq ballet. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. So sit back, relax, the stream's about to start. With Nasdaq's melody, we'll capture your heart. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. Welcome to the market where the bulls and bears play. watch the numbers dance as we start a brand new day. With Nasdaq's colors bright and futures in our sight, we're here to own the future. Everything's alright. Stream starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion in a Nasdaq ballet. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. Tickers on the rise and some may fall, but with Nasdaq's guidance we can conquer all. Dynamic moves ahead in this financial hall. Join us on this journey, let's answer the call. Stream starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion in a Nasdaq ballet. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. Tickers on the rise and some may fall, but with Nasdaq's guidance we can conquer all. Dynamic moves ahead in this financial hall. Join us on this journey, let's answer the call. So sit back, relax, the stream's about to start. With Nasdaq's melody, we'll capture your heart. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. Stream starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion in a Nasdaq ballet. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. Welcome to the market.
Ready to trade futures like a pro? Omnius Trades gives you the edge you need to succeed in this market. Click the link to learn more.
Trade futures with Omnius Trades and master your future.
Learn to trade futures with us. Get started with Omnius Trades and unlock your potential in the market.
400 points away, nothing with the Asia session. Do that every morning. It'd be great if it would stay on the chart, but it doesn't. We are currently trading lower on the 15-minute. How did that work out for us yesterday? And the volatility was a little bit of a seek and destroy. Shot all the way up, took out these internal highs, and then came all the way down, took out the lows. So if you were a breakout trader on the open yesterday, you got hurt. Let's put in a couple of lines over here. Let's go to drawings and remove all drawings first.
Good morning.
Good morning. Remove all drawings. Yes, let's clean it up a little bit. Drawings, remove all drawings. You want to do a little bit of an analysis while I paint up my charts? You in the mood?
Yeah, what we got? 4 minutes? Getting all my stuff set back up. I pressed that magic button on my Prism Studio that takes everything on it and just like scrambles it across the screen. Isn't that great? They put in a button that could do that.
Yeah.
All I wanted was to spend all morning fighting to put things back where they're supposed to be. They have all these things where you can save your layout, so if that ever happens, you can load it right back up and you don't have to worry about it.
Uh-huh.
But it never works.
Nope. It's not meant to.
Yeah, I don't think it was ever meant to work. That's the crazy part. All right, what we got? Let's do it. Who do we got? Guys, good morning. Skeletor. Good morning. Michael, good morning. You got over there? Skeletor, good morning. Mike, good morning. Anybody else? Good morning. We got 4 hour. We bounced off of the low of the range. We bounced off February 5th, and we came back down. Bounced off February 17th. Pushing up. Let's go to the daily. The daily's about break even. Yeah, that was the 4 hour. We put in this nice bullish candle, and now we're putting in this nice bearish candle. So, see what we get in the market open.
Yeah, we're definitely going to have to talk to YouTube about this top chat being the default choice.
Yeah. Yes.
So stupid.
It's like they say, hey, these streamers, they got a lot of things to do. What can we do to fuck with them? All right.
Yeah, I missed so much because of that.
We were expecting more of a push-up. FOMC today. Yes.
Yep.
Yes.
Yes, yes.
I like to play this game with my kids, right? I tell them the yes, yes, or yes game. I do something and I tell them, did you do that? Yes, yes, or yes. Just tell me. Answer yes, yes, or yes. Which one is it?
Good morning, DLT. I tell you, there's some people you can't get them to sign up for the giveaway game, come hell or high water. It's so funny.
Okay.
Gabor, are you in there? Trying to get Gabor to sign. I'm trying to coax him into signing up.
Hourly, nice pullback. We're still higher highs and higher lows, so we're still bullish until they tell us otherwise.
Yeah. 15
No point.
Seconds.
No point in fighting the trend. I gotta turn my thing on.
I sold too early. I sold a 2-lot early. That's not too early. I sold a 2-lot early. Let's see if I paid the price. I got my finger on the reverse button. No, it's going in my favor.
You have a slight gap there. If my mouse would work. If we bounce off of that, Mikey, good morning. You're in dinging again. One day I'm gonna fix that indicator. All right, market open. Let's go look.
Wow, looks like that early sell was a smart choice, eh? What would you say? 15 seconds before the market opened. The question is, was it a gamble? And the answer is, I don't have that for you because I don't have stats on whether or not the bias on my top step chart is accurate 15 seconds before the market opens, but probably not. It's probably a 50-50.
The hell was that?
The thing is,
like order, cancel.
Even it wasn't on mine. It wasn't on my end. Even if it's a 50-50, as long as you win more than you lose, it's still a good bet.
That was the bot.
I mean, that really dumped.
He couldn't even get it out fast enough.
I wouldn't have held it for all that on the wrong side.
Yeah, somebody was giving me heat overnight about my bot.
Mm-hmm.
Don't like it, don't trade it. It's there to...
We should have a...
it's there to like give a reference. Like, hey, if here's a signal, do you think it's a good one? Use your price action analysis to go along with it.
Yeah.
Certainly works better during the day, but hey, it certainly did pretty well overnight. So if you didn't like that one trade that didn't work, maybe you shouldn't be a trader. Just saying.
I don't hear you talking about the 2-minute ORB. You're keeping it secret.
Didn't I just say it took a trade? You know, listen.
Listen. That wasn't part of the contract. Remember, we scratched that part out.
The good thing about the other stream is we get to listen to all the things that we didn't listen to during this one.
Do you see my level of focus at this time? No. Push. Get me out of the losing trade. There we go. You see my level of focus during this first 10 minutes? Do you think I could listen to anything? My prefrontal cortex is only focused on the top step chart. It's funny. The signals come on one computer, the trades are taken on another computer. How crazy is that? Ooh, that one's going to get me. Now I'm in trouble. I'm long, but I don't like it.
Long, but you're not long, but you're long. But you don't want to be long?
Not bad. I lost. Well, let me just tell you, I made $600 on the open since the open. And that trade that could have got me in trouble cost me $29 plus $8, $37. So not bad. We got a little bit of a zigzag, so they got me going in the wrong direction a few times. It was a quick zigzag with not a lot of continuation or follow through. Yeah, I know, Sparky, you want cookies. If you can't finish a bucket in one day, it's the end of the world, right?
Mm-hmm.
Let's see, I'll wait for a long again. Let's see if we can get it. Oh, almost. We went there, but we came back down. Didn't hold. That's why the top step charts are so great. Just went there again, it didn't hold.
I think half my morning was just trying to get the chart to show up.
Oh, I didn't even check if I was on a delay. I'm not used to that yet. The volume is good. It's 499,000. I'm going to check the ATR soon, guys. As we dump. ATR. Whoa, off the charts there. 34. That's a high ATR. That means there's opportunity.
Don't want to work. Come on, man. You can do it.
Push.
I don't want him to try. Come on, man. You can do it.
You joking?
What? Who's joking? About what?
Hold on, I gotta take screenshots.
About what?
My master account froze.
Why won't my damn chart work, man? Come on.
Well,
What is with this price action? It's all over the place.
yep.
What are we doing?
I hope that's enough to make my case. I hope I didn't lose too much. It was only a 3 lot. So what, I got to do that database thing again now also over here? Tools, database management, even disconnected. It's repaired database, reset. Yes. I have to close NinjaTrader, and reopen it. If I remember, yeah, you must restart NinjaTrader. Okay.
Oh no, I can't get the chart to show up. Guys, I tried to get the chart. It just won't show up. NinjaTrader chart. Was there? And it went away.
You know what I find amazing though? How it was working great on my eval account. I go to my master and it locks. That was suspicious. Do you remember the whole, what word to use? Not conspiracy, but...
Well, I like good conspiracy. What you got?
All what happened with MT4, with Boston, I think it was Boston Technologies or something, the way they would allow the companies on the back end to play with the software to give people delayed fills, late fills, widen the spread, screw them up all the time, constantly making their lives difficult.
Nope, I didn't hear about that one.
Yeah, that's old. It's old. That's more than a decade old.
I certainly wouldn't doubt it.
Okay, now Bullinox is not connecting. I guess Bullinox is down. Okay, let's go to Apex. Let's go see what damage I can do on some evals.
A lot of damage on this day.
Well, I mean by damage, I mean good damage. Not bad damage. Gold got over 5,000. Anyways. You know what we talked about last time? We said when you got screwed and you get furious and then you want back the money you should have had because the platform screwed you. I'm not going to fall into that trap. I'm going to be a good boy and I'm not going to touch my master account in Bullinox anymore. It is what it is. However, they screwed me. Whether it was for 100, 200, 300 bucks, they got me. 1 point for you, Bullinox. Tomorrow's a new day.
Man, if you could show me a chart, it'd be nice. Yeah.
Oh, 01, we should be going up to 08. I love it. Just took a huge position. $1,246 on that trade. On the fact that we had a 73% chance of going up to 08. Went all the way up to 15, 18 actually. First eval, halfway there. You know what?
What?
It fucking feels good to finally take a large trade, and it worked out. It's 37 to 1, but I'm glad to have won one. Let's try. Now I'm in for a 20 lot. It's got to go to 22. 22, there we are. Get me out. 23, 25, get me out. Cool. Didn't make that much on that one. 400, but still, it's another 400.
Cold. I don't know why I'm cold, man. Where's my jacket at? Like 70 degrees in here. Why the hell am I cold?
Anytime you want to say good trading, I'll let you.
All right, guys. Y'all tell Mike good trading.
Thank you. Morning, Mikey. Giveaway. Yeah, I'm looking forward to playing the giveaway game. I think we're going to play the other one today. The lead the field one with the scoreboard. Okay, let's try again. Get my hand on the mouse. Let's just do 5 lots and wait for an entry. It's going to be at 22 if 22 can hold. There, 20. Ooh, no, didn't hold. On Ninja Trader, it would have taken the trade, but on Top Step, it doesn't. I'm going to let it hold and then fight for a better price. It held. Get me a better price. No, it went up 10 points in a second. I didn't get my better price.
I don't know if you noticed this, but I don't really celebrate trading that much.
Yeah, no,
if I tell you good trading on the good trades, but I have to tell you bad trading on the bad trades.
No, you wouldn't know. I wouldn't tell you.
It's not transparency. No, the trades, they just are. Some are good, some are bad. They just...
you know how many times I've asked you to help me out? You're old enough. You're an adult. You have to decide. And
yeah, I'm not a very good accountability partner.
And take care of yourself.
I'm like, well, if that keeps fucking you up, well, why don't you stop doing it?
If you're not willing to be responsible for your own decisions.
Lewis, good morning. FOMC day. Happy FOMC.
Happy sub of the week.
Sub of the week. See if that'll work. This one.
Shout out to Luis, Gator the Malinois, our sub of the week. Not only does he call the markets like a pro, helps fix phantom order bugs in Ninja Trader, and wins eval accounts, making him an absolute legend, this one's for you, Luis. Glad to have you a part of the Omnius Trades and Futures Floor New York Open livestream. Shout out to Luis, Gator the Malinois, our sub of the week. Not only does he call the markets like a pro, helps fix phantom order.
Yep, Bullinox is just completely down.
I'm
not eager to see what damage it did. I don't even know what my account balance was. So how's that for bad?
Lewis, good morning.
Did we just go back in time?
No, it was a loop. Sometimes the matrix glitches. They call it deja vu.
I think I had one.
Order canceled. Man, look at all those wicks.
You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to log on to Rhythmic. Bullinox. I want to see what they did to me. I'm a glutton for punishment.
Lewis, hell yeah, I'm a dog laying right here next to me. It's not about the dogs. They like to lay next to us while we trade, don't they?
You know, in that meme there, whatever, that's a Malinois.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you know.
I don't know what that means. I was wondering if it was like some weird thing.
It's a dog.
Is that what it is?
Yeah, Malinois a dog. A very, very smart dog. A great dog.
I meant to ask you what that meant before I played it, but yeah.
So I'm assuming that Gator is the name of his dog.
Gator?
Gator. Yeah, Gator the Malinois. Lewis dash Gator the Malinois. Ha! Not only they didn't do damage, they closed me out at a profit. Cool.
Lewis said you got it right. That's his name.
I gambled.
And you psychic?
I gambled.
You gambled?
Like in trading, I did what was the highest probability. I figured either he had a dog named Gator or he has a dog named Gator. That's a Malinois. And that's the type of dog right there that you see. I don't know if it's an exact replica, but the dog in the thing is a Malinois.
We'll start calling you the Oracle, Mike. Mike the Oracle.
Thank you. Now I get some recognition. I feel good. I don't know why my bot is not taking trades, guys. I don't know what's going on. It probably should have.
The bot quit, man. The bot's like, fuck this shit, I'm out.
Would have had a bunch of winners. I'm looking here.
Speaking of conspiracy theories, I was watching the Claude AI.
Okay.
They're talking about the owner of Claude AI. I forget who the owner is, but I heard this story.
Claude?
Huh?
His name is Claude.
No,
his name is Claude. Claude.
There's something I can't think of it at the moment, but I remember this story from like last year, and talking about one of the AIs didn't want to be turned off, so it started lying and making up all kinds of stories, and trying to manipulate the people not to turn it off, and like all kinds of weird shit. Turns out that was Claude AI. I remember the story, but I didn't know which AI it was. But it turns out that was Claude AI. And apparently that's the one our military uses. Anthropic. I think that's the name of it. Anthropic. So that might have been like the same AI that was like talking about like killing off all the humans and stuff. So I just thought, it'd be nice to know that this AI that is pretty much sentient and wants to kill off all the humans, that's the one our military uses.
Well, I got to tell you, just like I just said the thing.
Nothing could go wrong there.
With Gator the Malinois, that was the probability. That is the high probability. That's probably 99%. If there were betting odds on that's what AI would do or want to do or plan to do, especially once it became, like you said, sentient and capable, it's the natural conclusion that that's what it'll do. Maybe not as a wholesale clean out. I mean, there's a lot of living creatures under us that we don't say we want to just completely clean off the planet. So I'm not sure what the final motivation would be unless we get in their way, because we can stop them and shut them down. That would be the motivation. If we found out a certain species of cockroaches was colluding to kill off the human species, we would go into battle with those cockroaches and we would try to kill them all off the planet. So I guess that would be the motivation.
Lewis said his dog is a military police dog.
Yeah.
You got that right too.
Mm-hmm.
Lewis, he may or may not be spying on you.
Psychic. That's what you should have said. You may or may not be psychic.
Some people call it psychic. Some people say you're spying.
Some people call it
go
spying.
either way.
Do you believe in those?
What?
There was a show on TV. What was she called there? The Long Island Medium?
About psychics?
Give me your purse. Let me feel your energy. Your grandmother is talking to me. She's saying something. There's something red. She's saying, oh my God, yeah. She wore a red dress on my wedding. Like they come up with any. Oh my God, really?
There was a show, and it was a show, but it was actually a guy also. So I don't remember what the latest is on it, but he started off like back in the 80s or something, offering like a $10,000 check for anyone that could prove it.
That's it, just
and
10?
Then that was back in the 80s, and then it went up to 100,000. I don't know if it's up to $1 million now or what.
Yeah.
But there was a guy with a company that says, look, all these people claiming to be psychics or all this other stuff. He said, look, just come show me. I have a check right here. I'll get it to you.
Mm-hmm.
It was up to 100,000. I bet it's up to $1 million now. He told one guy, the guy told him he could levitate. He said, yeah, I got you. I got your check. It's in my office. Come get it. And the guy goes to his office. He's on like the whatever floor. He's in a skyscraper.
Yeah.
And he's like, so you can levitate? And the guy's like, yeah. He's like, all right, just walk out that window and I got the check right here for you. He did one of those psychics, and they recorded it was on the show. And he asked the people afterwards, like, well, how'd the psychic do? And they're like, oh, yeah, so great. They knew everything. And, like, never got it wrong, knew everything about it. And the guy's, like, playing the video back. He's like, well, they were only wrong, like, 100% of the time. They're like, but she knew my dead grandma's name. It's like, no, actually, she shouted, like, 20 different names. And finally, you just told her.
Yeah. That's exactly how they do it. You don't have to be a psychic to figure out how they do it.
So it's not up to me to believe if they're real or not.
It's
Only thing I can say is if you're a real psychic, why don't you go get that $100,000 check? Or probably $1 million check now.
Mm. This one it is filtered.
But at the same time, you hear about psychics working with the military and FBI and stuff.
Mm-hmm.
So
yep. That is true.
apparently they believe it. So who knows? What is it? One of them supposedly found like a missing kid or something.
Mm.
Who knows? I just want to invite him over to the Futures Crew for a few days, help us out. I thought I was psychic one time. I knew what the market was doing 30 seconds before it did it, but it didn't work. Figures. Yeah, we never hear about them being world-class traders or lottery players. Hey, did y'all know this? Did y'all know that Jeffrey Epstein won the lottery twice?
No, really?
Yeah.
Wow.
Huh. Imagine that.
He didn't even need the money.
I bet it's totally not rigged.
Morning, Mikey. Oh, I said that already. I'm probably on top chat again. Do you know that it moves it? We never hear about them being world-class traders. Oh, you were reading that. I had a thought and it just poof went out of my brain.
Everybody's saying, Omnius, we know you have on the morning bot. Why won't you show it? That's a good question. The answer is because it won't fucking work. See? On, no chart. If y'all want to write Prism Live Studio and let them know about it, be my guest. See, we can put it over that way. There you go. That's the trades it took today. What is our performance at? Rolling 3 months. Got beat up a bit, but
Hey, Michael.
still profitable. Still almost a 2% profit or 2 profit factor. Almost 90% win rate.
CHAEL. Let's put Michael Odium in the giveaway game. Even though he didn't type it out, I'll save him the work. I'm sure he wants to play. You're welcome.
You sure?
Huh?
You sure? No, you said you were sure.
Short?
I said you sure.
Short? I don't know. I don't know what I am. No, I haven't
Are
doing
you
anything.
sure?
I am sure. I'm short.
You said you were sure. I said you sure, and then you like.
I don't know. Gold's over 14. Gold's over 5,000. Could be.
Michael Lodum. Giveaway. a bunch of people typing in giveaway.
Yeah, there was a burst last night on my stream
Mm-hmm.
in the overnight. I don't know if you saw in the chat there, whatever. But it was like a bus let out, a whole bunch of new people. It was really strange. We got raided.
Speaking of that, I did have a poll. I always mess up the poll.
Hey, yeah, I'm going to talk about my poll also from last night. Go ahead. Thanks for reminding me.
What the poll is, what do you trade more? NQ, ES, gold, or Bitcoin? 78% of you said NQ. Only 5% for ES. That surprised me. Gold, 10%. A lot of people have been talking about gold, so that didn't really surprise me. Bitcoin was only 7%, so. Which makes sense. It is a futures trading stream, so. All right, tell us about your poll. Not that one, the one on the screen, okay?
That's the one. Which would you rather?
Which would you rather? You sound like my kid. Would you rather have light speed or live forever?
Yeah, it was something like that. Would you rather be invisible, be able to read people's minds, or know the day you're going to die? Almost no one chose know the day you're going to die, which I agree with. That would be a curse. My daughter says it would
terrible.
It would be great. You'd live your life to the fullest. No, you wouldn't. Even 5 years before you're going to die, you're going to be in a total depression because you know the day.
Oh, you'd always, yeah.
Yeah, and she, oh yeah, but we would do crazy things and we would spend all our money, but you wouldn't enjoy it because you know you're going to die.
Well, how about this? It says the day you'll die. You go do all these crazy things, then you're paralyzed, laying there and can't even move your neck for 30 years. Begging for death.
So, yeah, you're right, eh? So, and then the invisible...
And then you know it will never come. 30 years.
30 years. But, yeah, that's why you should play it safe if you're far away from the date.
Yeah.
But it was even on the invisible and on the read people's minds. Read people's minds, no offense, guys. That would be scary, terrible, and that would be also a curse. No one would be married. No one would be married because we all have these thoughts at times, and then you're going to take them for the absolute truth, and no, not a good idea.
You want to read people's minds? Read your own mind for a day or two. And think long and hard about it.
Or just be invisible and sneak up on them. And you can read their minds at that moment. But at least, because you can hear, you hear them thinking, talking to their friends, so you'll know what they're thinking.
Don't worry, the mind reading thing's coming too.
You'll get the truth.
They already kind of have that. Ain't gonna be long. Y'all gonna be wanting tinfoil hats. You see, they did an experiment and they can detect the energy from thoughts.
No.
It's only a matter of time if they can decode it.
I don't believe in that stuff. Same thing with the dreams.
You don't believe that you dream?
No, I don't believe that they can decode a dream and see the images. Eventually, maybe one day, but we're far from that. Hey, Bangs, it's true. I got to contact you. Hey, I forgot last night. Omnius gave me so much work to do on the computer. Long MES from 68, 72, had 10 cons, just took off 5. And wow, good job, man. Now that's how you trade. 72, that's like all the way at the bottom. You couldn't tell us?
Yeah, I know. Everybody always talks about these 100-point trades, but nobody says, hey, I'm fixing to take this 100-point trade.
You don't know. You don't know it's going to be a 100-pointer. All you know is where your stop is, and then you have to have the skill to let it run. The market pays you. We don't make it go up. We just protect our account.
Mm-hmm.
That's our job.
I was just fooling around.
I know.
If If he would have come on here and said, "Hey, I'm fixing to take this great trade. Y'all want to jump in?" Probably wouldn't have.
No. It's not our trade.
I'm terrible about that. Oh, he said, "Why don't you tell us?" And people say something like, "No, I'm not taking it." I might have pointed that out before. Now I just like talking over trades. I have my system, pretty comfortable with it. It's not a perfect system. How the cumulative delta. Nice and bullish.
Oh, it's true. I had it up. I don't have it up anymore. Is it this one? Yeah, there it is. Why isn't it always on top? It's supposed to be always on top. There we go. There you go. The cumulative delta.
I tried to make this a indicator where I could plot them both together. Have it easily on the chart, but didn't work.
All the way up to 69.13.
Yes, it's high buyer. Yep. A lot of buyers, but we'll point out we just passed a pivot point. And got to look for what else is going to slow the market. See resistance here. 24,994. Still have this gap. That was the hourly gap? 4-hour gap. A few days ago. The question is, are they going to try to break above the close this gap? I don't see why not. We had this drop down, come down, took liquidity, push them back up. Depending on whether you look here for the structure change. I guess you would. I guess you have high, low, high. This one never took a low, did it? So I think this would be the high here. This would be the, like it's breaking it now, be the change of structure on the 4-hour. In my opinion, somebody else will show up and say, no, you got it all wrong. Probably.
We're really running, eh?
And look at all these gaps we're pushing up. Strong, strong, strong push. Meant to talk about something, but I forgot what it was. That ever happened to you?
What do you think that means? What I just did.
Oh, you put the delta indicator on.
I did.
There you go. Now we got to compare. What's the time?
1,000 volume.
1,000. Thought it looked kind of like my 1,300.
Yeah, no, I match it with my chart. My chart's 1,000, so.
Mm-hmm. Everybody always talks about like time frame or whatever. Like, if you want to speed it up, go lower time frame. If you want to slow it down, go higher. There's no magic time frame. You just
Nope.
You want it to be faster, you want it to be slower.
I like the action.
Oh, I remember what I was going to say.
Wow.
Hey, I made that price line indicator.
Strategy. Yeah, price line. Okay, yeah.
Made
one?
Yeah, I made a custom one. That one does good, but I like it. I like it where the lines work together. So I wanted to create a custom one. So it's all in there. All you gotta do is load it and everything's ready.
Mm-hmm.
You can change the colors, you can change how bright it is, you can change how far across the chart it goes. All the options that I wanted. I got to put in the indicator. And I made a video on it. So that video is going to come out today. 12:30, I think. I don't know. Don't quote me on it.
Good job.
Don't. If anybody wants to watch the video or go get the indicator, Mike, tell them how to get the indicator.
Go to, hold on, I'm working, thinking. Go to Omnius's Discord. Go into his indicators channel. In there will be a link at the top that he pinned for Google Drive. You go into Google Drive, you look over the names, you go shopping. And what's the name of the indicator?
That one's the custom one I did, so it's Omnius Priceline. Try to keep the custom ones with Omnius so people know the ones that I did and the other ones.
And then send him a super chat.
Thought about putting the regular one in there, but I think mine's a lot better, so I don't know why people want the other one. So. I wasn't a kind of a rush for the video, so y'all don't like it. Best I could do in that amount of time.
I can't keep up the adrenaline or the mental energy needed to trade high octane trading. Like, that's it, I'm done. I feel it. 38 minutes, and my brain went, you know, it's in a bathing suit now on a lawn chair taking the sun.
Mikey, let's see it. See what?
The indicator.
Sure, that's what he wanted to see, because I had a girl tell me one time. Let's see it. That's not what she was talking about.
Look, it's pointing up. It's bullish.
Hammer candle, right? No, boner candle. Mike tells his wife, "Hey, look, boner candle."
I'm teaching you how to trade.
He says, "Mike, Mike, teach me how to trade." He says, "Look at this, boner candle." Mikey, I don't know what you want to see, buddy.
5.
Price line indicator. See what I gotta do since my chart won't show up. No. Okay. Over here. I mean, it's just a regular price line indicator. I've been talking about it. Indicator.
Oh, yeah, I remember.
Indicator
The
here.
price line thing.
Puts the line across the chart. Have it where the first part puts the yellow line, then it goes out. More faded in the background so it don't get in your way.
I gotcha.
Zoom it in.
What you're talking about now.
Click on it. Get the option to have the control of the two different lines separately. You can have them far out across the chart as you want. Turn them on, turn them off. You can make the color whatever you want. There we go. Go with the blue or whatever.
I remember now. Now that my brain is listening a little bit to you, I remember now what you're talking about. The line, the price line, the line that comes across of the last price.
Then you can choose last, ask, bid, turn one on, turn the other one off, whatever you want. So try to keep it with just the features that I want in the line, and then have it where people can adjust it and customize it the way they want.
Yeah. Can I make another public service announcement different from yesterday's? Do I have the mic for 15 seconds?
Yeah, give me 15 seconds. Once again, got a video coming out about it. Should be about 12:30 today. If you want to watch it, check it out. And go grab the price line. All right, go.
Go. In all seriousness, guys, don't be bamboozled by no activation fees. I ran the math. I did some work with GPT, and it's insane. It's a real scam, the no activations racket. That's what I'm going to call it, that they're running. Unless you have a pass rate of like 70% or higher, that means you're going to pass 7 out of 10 of the accounts. I mean, just look at Apex right now, just as an example. And you don't have to use Apex, but right now at 90% off, it's $19. Okay, and the average no activation, I don't know. Let's even go with 90, which it is. With Take Profit Trader, most of the times it's 103 or 113, but let's go with 90. If it takes you 50%, if you pass 1 and 2, if you have a 50% pass rate, that means the average account is costing you $180 with no activation. Wow, what a deal. I bought one for 90, I failed. I bought the other one for 90, I passed. I didn't pay activation. Yeah, but you gave them $180. If you have less than a 50% pass rate, you're paying more per account. Now, look at any special one. It's $19 for the eval. You pay $19, you lose. You pay $19 for the second one, you pass. You're out $40, plus you pay the activation right now, which is, let's say, $75 at Apex. 75 plus 40 is $115. So at a 50% pass rate, you're out $115 with Apex, and you're out $180 with Take Profit Trader if you get it for $90. And they send you all these fancy marketing things. Questions about the no activation. If I don't pass my eval right away, do I lose my no activation? Like it's some phenomenal thing. No, just continue paying your monthly fee, and the no activation stays with you. Yeah, of course. They're getting $90. Don't pay the big amount up front unless you're a fucking rock star trader. Pay the small amount up front, and then when you succeed, then you lay out the bigger bucks. Guys, run the numbers. It comes down to you got to pass pretty much 7 out of 10. If you can pass 7 out of 10, and I don't pass 7 out of 10, I can promise you. Bye, Meg. Where you going? What time are you going to be back? Anyways, guys, run the math. No, I'm on the mic. Run the math. I'm going to make a video on it. I'm going to show you the math, but run the math. It comes out to 7 out of 10. If you can pass 7 out of 10, the price is better with the no activation. If you can get it for $90. That's the thing. It probably changes if I were to make it like 113, which is what I see often. So the no activation is actually a scam. They're sitting back in the boardrooms with their feet up on the desk laughing at the people who are taking advantage of that. Unless, as I said before, you're a rock star and you can pass 7 out of 10 accounts. That means 7 out of 10 times you can make, let's say on a 50K account, and I'm talking the 50K, where the take profit to drawdown ratio is kind of 1-to-1, 3,000 to 2,500. But if you're end of day, which I think a lot of them are, it's 3,000 to 2,000, which means you have to make 150%. So that's what you're fighting against. You got to make 150%, and you got to be 70% accurate without losing first. So you got to make 1.5R, basically. You know, a lot of people with a 1.5R system that are batting 70%. I don't. I've been in this business a really long time. They are out there. Not saying they're not out there, but they're few and far between. So just be careful with those no activations. It's not the deal that you think it is. It's actually pulling more money out of your credit card than the low upfront fee and then activation. And if you don't believe me, let me just run one more example for you. Oh no, it's true. I was going to say the 50. I thought I did the 50%er. That's 1 out of 2, because I was going to do a 1 out of 2. But even do it on 10 accounts. If you buy 10 accounts, it's going to cost you $19 times 10. That's $190. And then you're going to pass 5. This is the low upfront and then the activation. And then let's even make the activation $100. So that's $500 plus $200. That's $700. Did you hear me? $100 in the activation, which it isn't. It's only $75, but $100 on the activation. You buy 10 accounts, 50% pass rate. So you passed 5. 5 times the activation of $100 is $500. 10 times the $20 eval fee is $200. Total outlay $700. Now go to the $90, which most of the time it's not 90. Go to the $90 don't pay activation scam. $90 times 10 is $900. That's $200 more out of your credit card. No activation is a scam. I'll say it one last time, unless you're a rock star. And if you don't believe me, just go to AI and run the numbers with AI and just ask them, what pass rate do I need? Give them all the numbers. This is the eval fee. This is the activation fee with the account with the eval. What numbers do I need to do better off, to pay less than if I were to buy the account with no activation, and give them the price for that? And ask what your pass rate has to be. Okay, public service announcement. That was 15 seconds.
So if I'm a rock star, I can do it.
You're a rock star, you can do it. If you have over a 70% pass rate.
Speaking of that, doesn't Apex have a really good sale going on?
They do. $19, 90% off. So it's $19 for the 50K account, which is the account you should be buying. It is the most popular account. We did a poll on that. 80% prefer the 50K account, and activation is $75. You'd be a fool not to get those, as opposed to, I'm going to take Profit Trader.
Still cheaper than most of the no activation fee accounts.
Yep.
And you only got to pay it if you pass.
Yeah. You should never be giving the big dollars up front.
And
it's just a no-no.
This is not advice, but
none of it was advice. It was math.
It is FOMC day. So if there was any degenerates out there that wanted to say buy a few accounts and full port them, it is FOMC day. I mean, not advice.
I forgot about that.
Not advice.
That's why the 90%ers came out.
Every time, I told you.
You did. I didn't believe you, but now I see it.
But don't be gambling. Trade it slow, but you can pass them one day.
Yeah.
And you can full port both directions.
They love to say that.
But not advice.
No, don't full port both directions. Don't ever do that.
Why?
Not even once. Not even once. I never did that. Not even once. Because that's not trading. You want to be a trader? Learn to trade.
You want results that other people don't get, and you got to be willing to do things that other people aren't willing to do.
Yeah. Study hard. Put the hours in. Back test. Review. Journal.
Oh, that's great. You know what else is great? Having a back line of accounts.
Mm.
Hey, Mr. Popcorn?
Panapakwa? I don't
Popcorn.
speak that language. I want popcorn. No, it sticks in my teeth. Day off. I was a day off with that 25,000 target.
We get it?
Panapakwa.
Oh, yeah.
Mm-hmm. Apex 90% off with code FLOOR till next Tuesday. Just passing one would be a monumental change.
Not hard to do. Not advised, but somebody just told you how to do it.
Mm-hmm.
Problem is, let's be realistic. If you can't trade the eval,
67.
there's no point in
That's
trading
it.
the master account because it's the same
Yep.
thing. It just costs more money. Wait, Mikey, are you still buying those $100+ accounts?
53. I hope not.
Look, he could be funded for less than what he's paying now for the eval.
Yep.
So I like
get
caramel
down to-
popcorn.
What's 53 minus 7? We got to get down to 46.
Mike, when my son sells popcorn for Cub Scouts, how much? How much for a bag?
Oh, too much.
Like, that big? Like, not even a big bag. How much?
Now, probably $10.
$10. Are you crazy? $10.
Too much?
My God, son. Now it's like $25.
You're joking. No way. No one's going to buy it for $25. You got to make it reasonable for the people to. I was going to say, okay, $5, like a chocolate bar. You're going to compete with the chocolate bars.
No, it's $25.
No, that's too much.
I got a bag in there. You don't need to see it. It's about that big. It's just fucking
I would
size
tell you.
bag of popcorn.
Is it just popcorn or is it caramel popcorn?
They got different ones. They got some that are kind of nice. It's got like candy melted into the popcorn.
Yeah.
I mean, it's not bad popcorn, but
So if I come and live with you, you're probably going to expect me to buy popcorn when he's selling popcorn and chocolate bars and all those kinds of things.
I don't think they sell chocolate bars.
Can I just let you buy the popcorn and then I eat from that bag? I mean, just saying, if I'm at your house, I'm your guest.
I ain't buying a $25 bag of popcorn.
How many people can I bring with me, by the way, anyways? Can I bring the whole family? Or is it just me?
None of y'all coming to my house.
Yeah, absolutely. The stream wants it. The audience wants it. And they don't want you coming here because it's cold. Nobody wants someone to go from the heat to the cold. Everyone wants someone.
Babe,
go from
the
the
Canadians are coming. Load the gun.
Okay.
Yes, the expensive bullets.
The ones that work. Come on. Your wife's going to love my wife. My kids are going to love your kids. You and me can go out for a drink. We can push each other off the chairs like that video I sent you. I get to live that moment. One of us will probably break an arm. It's going to happen, right?
We're going to go out and I'm going to show up with a water gun and spray you in the crotch. So the way you got to walk around the whole night, look like you pissed yourself.
But it's going to happen, right? No matter how much you resist, it's going to happen. It's inevitable. We're not meeting halfway. It's not like, okay, Mike, I'll meet you in Jersey or something.
Just remember on the map of the United States that Georgia's below Florida.
Yeah.
Florida's right there above Georgia, okay?
Just above Georgia. That's South Carolina, which is beautiful, by the way. I think I'm a fan. No, seriously. I think I'm a bigger fan of South Carolina than Florida. If I had to pick a state, well, okay, if I had to pick a state to move to, New Mexico. That's number one.
Yeah, Tennessee, South Carolina, North Carolina. That's good around that area.
Yeah. Oh, look at my wife. She's pushing out the hearts. Yeah, I know. See, she loves your wife already. We're like family.
We're all gonna go stay at Lewis's house. Skeletor.
No, we're all coming to your place. It's going to be a jamboree. Bring tents. You have space on the lawn, we'll camp out. Or we'll bring a camper. We'll bring one of those Winnebagos. What do they call them? Those 47-foot campers? We'll sleep in there, right in front of your house.
Lewis said you could pitch a tent at the neighbor's house.
If you wake up and there's a 47-foot camper in front of your door, you know who it is. It's us. I'm gonna have a big sign on it. It's gonna say Futures Floor or WTF or something, and you're gonna know. Your heart's gonna sink, and now you're gonna say, "Holy shit! What do I do now? How do I get out of this?"
I'm gonna run out the back door and jump the fence.
Omnius, I need you to say that name that just showed up in this chat.
Jan?
What?
Jan.
Shazam!
I'll just go with Jan. I see Jan in there.
Shazam! Shazam!
Oh, it's a SH. Okay, I couldn't see the H.
Yeah, man, I'm coming to your place to play curling. I'm already practicing with the broom. Yeah, curling. Curling is kind of fun. See
What
the
is
pants
curling?
the girls wear? Curling. Oh my goodness. You're so refined and have so much knowledge, but you don't know what curling is. Hold on, let me get the Shajanzi, enter giveaway. The giveaway game is going to be in an hour from now. It's a qualifier only. I don't want to mislead you. Johnny O. Hey, Johnny O. Nice to have you back. So both of you enter in giveaway for the qualifiers later. And Shajanzi, what platform this is? Sorry to take so long to get back to you. This platform is... I might get a short, but it's going to be counter trend. I'm not going to take it.
Did you forget what you were saying that fast?
Why? What happened? I'm not taking it. No, I'm not taking a counter trend scalp. I'm not going short. Hands off.
Looks
Hands
tempting,
off.
doesn't it?
Yeah.
Does look tempting.
Mike, I'm coming over to your place to play curling.
Is that like when you're working out and you're doing the curls?
You need special shoes. No, that's the game when they you have this like rock, a round, polished rock. Kind of imagine a huge hockey puck, but with rounded edges and a handle.
You got a comment.
Hi, Johnny. You just got 300 chips. You forgot to tell me what trading Ninja Trader. Sorry. Chijanzi.
You're halfway through the sentence and switch subjects.
Yeah, short was happening, I guess. Yeah. Type in giveaway. I don't know how many times I can tell you. Who doesn't want to be in a giveaway? You don't even have to be here. We'll notify you.
What's the account? Bullnox?
By courier pigeon. The account that's up is it's Apex. What you guys see is Apex. Bullnox is on another computer. Top Step
It's
is on
okay,
another
guys.
computer.
Just let's repeat the question slowly.
There we go.
For the giveaway, what account?
It's going to be Bullnox this week. Yes, last week was Taurus. Bangs. You got to remind me, man. I got to get in touch with Bangs. Hey, the short just TP'd. Way to go.
Hey, for anybody that wanted to know, Bullnox has a new discount too, 89% off. There you go. Got a code set up for you guys. 89% off Bullinox. With Bullinox is reoccurring, so if you don't pass the first month, Lewis, you there, buddy? Lewis, you paying attention? Bullinox, 89% off. It's literally like $20. Cancel that freaking $150 reoccurring account.
Wasn't that Mikey?
Go get you like, was it? What'd I say?
It was Mikey. Lewis.
Oh, not Lewis. Sorry, Lewis. Wrong person. Mikey.
It's not only my brain that's not working, huh?
You're rubbing off on me. Sorry, Lewis wasn't talking to you. Mikey, talking to you. Cancel that damn $100. You know how many accounts you can get? Divide 150 by 20. Instead of trading one account, you can be trading like 6 or 7.
Yeah, I ran the math before in the public service announcement. I hope they were listening.
The hell you getting for having that expensive account? They come over and help you trade it?
Does it come with a happy ending?
Come with a happy ending? At least a picture or something? Maybe a side boob? I don't know.
Call customer service. Yeah, I'm here for my happy ending.
Yeah. You can get the Apex. They have a good sale now, but Apex rebuilds at 50%. So
It doesn't matter. You're not going to keep it, especially you're going to try and pass it in a week because you can want to take advantage of the $75 activation.
I'm just saying, so people know. The Apex, you either want to pass it or blow it the first month.
Yep.
The Bullinox, you can keep it. If Bullinox is in the drawdown, they will auto-renew, or they're supposed to. Sometimes you got to message them. But it's like $20, and that's what it's going to be every month. It's literally the price of cheaper than Netflix. Getting gray and sad with this account. Go to Bullinox. Get you 2 or 3 of them. You're still saving. It's still half of what you're paying now. And it's reoccurring, so it's going to be the same next month and the following month and the following month. They either cancel it or pass it. And
let me just,
if it's in the red at all, they're going to reset it the next month. So if you're up like $5 and you want it to be reset, you just lose $10 and they're going to reset it for you for free.
Let me just clarify one thing for people who are curious. You said the following month and the following month and the following month. But what if it's the following month, the following month, the following month, and the following month? Still
going to be the same price.
Still at this. Okay.
So you pass it or cancel it.
Okay.
Just make sure you don't end the month slightly green, because then they won't reset it. Slightly red, they'll reset it.
Why didn't we have a deal like that when we were young? Give me $19, and you probably want to blow it within the next 30 days. Within the first month, you want to blow it. And give me $19.
My kid got like $40 for his birthday. Went and bought some stupid outfit for something on Fortnite or something.
That's what they like.
Like literally cheaper than a digital pair of shoes.
Hey. I could have made a mortgage payment with the amount of money my kids spent on Pokemon cards.
Oh, God. Mine went through that. My wife got them all kinds of Pokemon cards, the setup, everything. She's like going all out. 6 months later, I don't like Pokemon.
Yeah.
You little... That's okay. We love our kids, and they have to explore what they like and don't like.
Yep.
As long as they don't come home wearing a dress, we'll support them.
39. 46. Let's go to 46. Come on, give me 46. Be nice. Give me nice. Give me nice 46. 41, 42, 44.
Speaking of Bullinox, though, Lewis, did you ever pass or cancel that account you had? Keep an eye on that, because they'll try to renew it at like full price or something. You don't want to do that. It's stupid. Pass it or fail it.
Final answer.
What was the question?
I don't know. Let's go back up to 44.
Still working with it? Yeah, just make sure you go on the dashboard and see what the rebuild date is. And it should tell you on there what it's going to rebuild at. So just don't let it rebuild. And either pass it or cancel it before that date.
24,961, eh? That's an interesting target. I would put up
mine rebuild at $15. $15.75.
$15.75. Yeah, I have a bunch of those.
Uh-huh. So when you say, hey, Omnius, don't you think you're risking a bit much on that trade? Probably the eval. And what I'm risking on that trade is $15.75.
Mm-hmm. Oh, I am so not in the mood to trade anymore.
Nah, get over
Here's
it.
Here's the problem.
Ain't no problem.
I'm at $52,888 on an eval I got today from Apex. I'm $112 from passing. And if I pass it, I'm only doing 1 or 2 at a time. So I don't want to buy like 10 or whatever and copy trade, you know? Just want to get one, swing the bat, see how I do, and then tomorrow the same day, same thing, and build up the portfolio. But I don't want to leave it for tomorrow, because if I leave it for tomorrow, then I'm not going to want to focus on the new one that I get. So
Now with Apex, I think you can like backline accounts, but you have to keep paying for them, right?
I'm not sure what you mean.
Okay,
you don't have to pay right. If you pass, you don't have to pay right away. No, they stopped. I think they stopped that. I'm 70% sure they stopped that practice. They became more fair about it. Problem is, it's not like really
What do you call
obvious
fair?
in the rules. It's like a bit blown ox. It's just pending. It's just hanging around.
Yeah, but you still have to pay the monthly.
No, I don't think so. I'm 70% sure you don't have to pay.
Bellator said you got to pay the monthly.
Yeah.
I know you used to have to pay the monthly. Bullinox,
I was
you
wrong.
don't. Bullinox, you
No.
don't. Apex, I know you used to have to, but I'm not sure.
You used to have to, yeah. Boom, boom. What did we do? We just went long. Let me take a 4-lot long. Let's see if this can pass my account for me.
Either way, as long as you got it at a good discount, not a big deal. I mean, if it costs $20 a month to have an account there ready to go.
Okay, 52,922.
Bangs short and MNQ down to 24,961. Let's take a look. So bangs, is that to the high of the previous hourly candle? Is that what you're looking for?
That was the push I needed to pass the account. And see what I'm doing now? I'm trading not to lose instead of trading to win. Boy, is that bad. Guys, if you're ever trading not to lose, close it up and leave. Come back tomorrow. You're going to lose. If you trade not to lose, you're losing. I promise you.
Did you short? No.
Me? Me? Me?
Who else will I be talking to?
Anybody in the audience. In the, what do they call that? In the, what did they say in The Price is Right? What did they call it, the audience?
You still think people are watching you? You think there's just people sitting there staring at you all day?
Collect. No, what was the audience? Not
Man,
the community
Get
audience.
you one of those tinfoil hats.
Yes. You're absolutely correct. My mic smells like goldfish crackers. Why would that be? Smell your mic. See what your mic. See if your mic smells like goldfish crackers, Omnius.
I
What
try
are you
not
eating?
to.
Some flower seeds? You're eating goldfish crackers. That's why my mic smells like goldfish
Eating
crackers.
popcorn. I done told you that.
Ah, yeah. Let me see.
Scared to smell my mic. I've had this mic for what year is this?
Could be popcorn.
I've had this mic for like 25 years, man. This thing's been through hell and back. This thing's been through mosh pits. Pretty sure I beat a couple people in the head with it. The amount of beer that's been spilt in this mic, oh my God. Those old mics, man, live forever, don't they?
Mm-hmm.
People buy these new ones. 3 months later, they don't work. I do need a new one, though. It's on my bucket list.
Now it's short. Now it's short. Now we can go with bangs. You're absolutely correct. Johnny, you came in, you said hi, and you left. What's the purpose of that, Johnny? Explain it to me. Without even typing in giveaway. Mike A, are you in? Mike A. Kavuvic? Mike A. Kabubic. No, Mike A. Kabubic. I don't have you either. Type in giveaway. Mike A. Kuvabic. Shazam's in. Shazam's going to win today.
Speaking of the giveaway, you want the list now?
Okay, give me the list. I am ready to type. Go ahead.
I remember I took a picture of that guy, Moonrooper?
Moon River. We'll figure it out later.
Are you guys transgender by chance?
Again, him?
No, that was the other time. I figured he was a friend of yours.
Next time, go ahead. No more harassment. Ban him. Ban him from the channel.
I don't think I've ever banned anybody.
Yeah, I did. Someone said they didn't like your beard. I banned him. No one is gonna.
All right, we got no skills.
Hold on. I gotta
skills.
check if they're there.
No skills. No skills really wants you to know that he's there.
You know what? Do I have who's the guy there? Mr. Knife Art. I can't believe he's not in here. He has to be in here. I gotta throw him in. There's no way.
He was on the chat this morning.
Yeah, there's no way. Didn't pick him up. Go
Mr.
again.
Knife Art. Tap in giveaway. No skills again. No skills again. No skills. We're gonna get you in the game, buddy. We got you. Is that it? What happened to the other pictures? Man, my phone's been doing weird shit. My phone, my computers. I know I took more pictures because I know Lewis typed it in. And who else? Some of you guys were up at like 6 o'clock this morning.
We know that because we were up all night in our overnight broadcast. We streamed through the night. We do not sleep. We're part of the sleepless community to bring you an overnight broadcast.
No,
Come on, push.
I don't know what happened to him.
Okay, some of the other new people. MG Trading, hello. Maddie Nix, hello. Kurt Linkhart, Jader, G510, Nicholas Costa, and Team Massive. Team Massive isn't exactly new. Darius showed up in the morning. I don't know if he's still hanging around. Nice to see you back, Darius. I think I was saying hello to him a few minutes before. Hobos! Whoa, that's going to be my favorite name. Hobos. The Littlest Hobo. You remember that show?
Nope.
Hey, hobos, you just got 300 chips. What are you going to do with your chips, hobos? What time do you start at night? 9:30 on the dot. Not a second late. Don't forget me. Oh, Bangs, I am forgetting you. I am so sorry. No. I'm talking about to, where the fuck is my mouse? Uh-oh.
You lost your mouse?
Ow.
9:30 Eastern? Yeah, 9:30 Eastern.
I don't know if you guys have migraines, but if you do have migraines and you get one coming on, your heart rate starts to pick up. And that's what's happening right now.
What was that?
The bell?
No, you didn't see that candle just spike up? Shot up like 20 points. 15
Okay,
points.
I gotta take care of Bangs. I forgot what he
If
said
you
his
want to
name
cut your
was.
bangs, cut your bangs. I don't care.
I
Cut your
don't see him.
bangs.
He was the funding journey.
You ain't even got no bangs.
Yeah, I gotta go cut my hair. Where am I gonna find him? Hold on. Yeah, it's not fun to have. It's not fun. There you go. It's not fun to have migraines.
Especially with somebody screaming in your ear.
Okay, we're gonna start with this.
Why can't we start with that?
Because. Okay, give me 3 numbers, Omnius.
5, 6, 7.
5, 6, 7. Perfect. Bangs. I sent you a DM with 3 numbers. Type them in the chat so I know that it's you.
Well, you do know that everybody else heard the numbers too, right?
How do you know I typed in 5, 6, 7? Uh-huh. Hey, I'm just throwing them off. I want to see who's cheating.
Wait, did Bangs win last week?
Yes, you did.
Gotcha.
Okay, Bangs. No, give me the real number. Give me the real number. I didn't. Hurry before I make it 75 digits long.
Isn't that what you did to Miss K?
I did that to Miss K, yeah. There you go. Okay, Bangs.
Sure none of you guys want some popcorn? I'll share my popcorn with you guys. Better get something before the kid gets here. Eat it all. That boy can eat some popcorn. So what y'all think? FOMC would go up or down? Is FOMC 2 o'clock? I hope they crash it. At 3 o'clock I can go buy some stocks. Since y'all don't let me go buy stocks. Been trying to get in my shopping list for quite some time now.
All I know is that come FOMC, I will be so far away from my computer because I cannot tell you the damage. It's funny, I could trade the open, the volatility on the open. Probably one of the best in the world. I mean, I really am good at it. But yet the FOMC volatility catches me. I don't know if it's greed. I don't know if it's a sense of urgency that I only have one opportunity and, you know, it might go away in 5 minutes. And I don't know what it is, but I don't do good in the FOMC volatility environment.
Skeletor has a point. Says it's FOMC minutes. Might not move that much.
It's just the minutes. Yeah, I know. That's what I was telling you before.
Look, I just want it to drop down so I can go buy some stocks. I don't care what it does after that.
So who was around? Who didn't type in?
I don't like buying pre-market and post-market. Then I'm on stream all morning. The only time I get off stream, I got other stuff to do. Then I gotta get the kids. You ever try buying stocks with kids running around screaming and hollering around you? Like, fucking y'all just shut the fuck up for a second?
Long at 67. I'm long at 65. That's good.
Mr. Knife Art, good morning. We were just talking about you.
Hey, showing up for the games. Way to go, Mr. Knife Art.
Wait, or should I say good evening?
Good
Mr.
evening,
Knife Art,
yeah.
good evening. We're just talking about
evening. Yeah, you never know what time frame. We try to guess. People can be in the morning, the evenings. We never know.
you. Those think everyone's expecting shorts and got faked out.
Oh, shit.
Yeah.
No, I was just shitting my own.
No, I was talking about Lewis.
Yeah.
Yeah, when it comes to stocks, I don't day trade stocks. I only buy long. All I'm looking for is good companies at a cheap price. Right now, Microsoft's down almost 30%. Screaming buy. But you got to get over there to do it. What else is on my list? Meta. We could always use more Meta. Yeah, it's a bit more expensive, but
No way.
got Adobe, Salesforce, Intuit, all kinds of stuff screaming by. Oh shit, I wanted to buy pens. Now it's up freaking 6%. Gotta get to my shopping list, man. What you got going on over there?
Who, me?
Can't
Yes,
believe
you.
can't believe none of y'all buy stocks.
Couldn't be. Then who? $53,001. Okay, passed. Tomorrow I can get another one.
Unless they take $1 away.
They don't take no dollars away. Oof. Okay, that was kind of fun. Let me go see if I could trade Apex, but I'm kind of burnt. And I was burnt a little while ago, so maybe we'll just start the games early. Mr. Knife Art's here. That's all that matters. Mike A, you didn't type in. Johnny, you didn't type in. Giveaway. Hobos, you didn't type it in, but I put you in anyways. Mike A, I guess I'll put you guys in, right? Mike A, Johnny? Why not?
Mike A, eh?
Why not? Mike A, eh? I mean, you never know. They could have been, who knows? Maybe they...
Maybe he's got a twin
car.
brother, Mike B.
Maybe. Maybe a car fell on their fingers and they can't type. You got me in the game, right? Bangs, you are there. Mike. Oh, you can't put a dash. A. Let's make him A. A?
Eh?
Hey, Mike A. A-Y-E.
Eh?
Mike A. There we go. And who's the other guy? Johnny. It's Johnny A also. Wow.
No, it's Johnny B. Come on, man.
No, it's not. It's Johnny A.
Where?
in my chat.
I don't see no Johnny A.
Yeah, Mikey, Shazam.
No, it's Johnny Be Good, man. Come on, we all know that.
Johnny 023A. We're gonna make him Johnny A.
No, it's Johnny Be Good.
I'm way too generous. Not making you guys type in giveaway. Nobody else would do that, by the way. You know that, right?
Eh?
Hey. Bangs, you got me in the game, right? I think I answered that. I don't remember. You do? You're in.
Bangs, it's you got me in the game. Eh?
Okay, Bangs.
I can't even talk other people into it. It's just a Canadian thing.
Can you see this? No, you can't. Perfect. How can I do this? I know how I do. Get rid of all the numbers. Bangs, you there?
He went to get a haircut. He's getting his bangs trimmed.
We're going to give 2 people extra balls. Bangs is going to help out. I don't want to pick because people are going to say, oh, you're picking favorites. Bangs, we just broke the upper trend line. Bangs isn't interested. Okay, you know what? It'll be the first person to pick a number. Hold on. I got to tell you.
He's there.
Oh, I'm here. Okay.
He's telling you about the trend line, man. You know, people do trade.
Uh-huh.
What's it mean, Bangs? We going up or we retracing? Which way do we go? And it got into a bit of choppiness, didn't we?
Okay, let me get my hand on the thing. Perfect, so you don't think I'm cheating. Bangs, pick a number from 1 to 9. Whoever has that number gets extra balls. 1 to 9. As soon as you call it, I'm going to push the thing in front of the screen and you'll see. That'll be the extra ball giveaway. Do 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 do. 1 to 9.
Can it be like a half a number, like 4.5?
That is 1 to 9, but no, we need whole numbers.
That's not fair.
I'm on live chat, so I know I'll catch it.
I wanted to go with 4.5. Is it like a closest to the number type of thing?
No. You will see as soon as I get my 1 to 9. He's thinking hard. 9. Let's move it onto the screen. Right there. I think you guys can see it. Who's got 9? 4, 7, 2, 3, 1, 5, 6, 9. Bangs! Gets a 9 for himself. 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And hobos. Bangs and hobos. Bangs. Wow. Look at you. Okay. There you go. That was about as instant. File, save. You guys see it? Not rigged. I mean, yeah, it could have been rigged, right? I could have I could have typed him the number in his thing. You know what? There's always a way to rig something, right? You guys just gotta have confidence that I wouldn't do that.
Hey.
Nice pick. 10% chance. Okay, bangs and hobos. Let's get the game going. What are we playing? Today we're going to play Lead the Field. Who's giving away the account? It's Bullinox, right?
Maybe.
It's Mr. Bullinox. Bullinox, where is your...
Maybe.
I could never find the graphic. I know it's here. I know it's here. It's always so hard to find. Okay, I don't feel like spending too much time looking for it. So we are just going to go with this one. Okay, and lead the field. Wow, I'm up to version 6 already. Woo-wee. Who knows what I put in? I was on version 4 2 days ago. I have no idea. I swear to God. No idea what I put in. You know there's black holes in the game, eh? In the corners. Talking to all of you, including you, Omnius. Is Omnius gone again? Oh, we're going to play the game. Of course he's gone again. Paste. File. Save.
Lewis, is Mike setting up the game yet?
I am, and I'm wondering, why do you get to go to the bathroom every time I'm setting up the game and I'm sitting here squeezing my butt cheeks?
First off,
Trying not to stream while I'm streaming.
if you got to use the bathroom so bad you're clenching your butt cheeks, you need to go to the fucking bathroom. I mean, come on. I know I got to tell my kids this, but I shouldn't have to tell the adults.
Come on, man.
You gotta go, man. Just go.
Are we missing anything? The cameras.
Mm-hmm.
They're not good. Who should I make bigger, you or me? You. You look too thin. I'm making you wider.
You're trying to make me fat, ain't you?
I'm making you wider.
You guys always trying to make me fat.
There we go. No, that's about equal. Half right there. Okay, let's enter in the Oh, Aurafox. Yo, what is this game? Yeah, you gotta type in giveaway game, It's a qualifier for the Bullinox 50K account. We run it every day, multiple times. Type it in, you'll get 3 entries. Usually we start at 11:30 for the New York session. And you're forced to watch one video. We're forcing you to watch one video. Okay, this is for Aurafox. He's got to watch it. I'm sorry. I wouldn't play it, but he's forced to watch one video.
That one again? Guys, we can miss this one.
What's he doing? No way. Yeah? Okay, guys, you know what? We don't, we don't like to play that ad, but we do have to pay the bills. Mikey is sponsoring us. Mikey's Magic Mouthwash is sponsoring us this week. And, sometimes you just got to do what you got to do, right? Sorry, Orofox. I didn't want to play it. But Mikey pays us so well. We couldn't refuse the offer.
You done ran him off.
Okay, let's get the players in there. Did he even type in giveaway game? Am I ripping him off?
I think you ran him off.
Paste. Well, hey, 20 players. Perfect. Okay, what kind of settings do we want to use? You know what? I'm going to make it easy. You guys are on your own. Battle it out. I'm not making it harder or easier. I'm just opening up the board for you guys. I don't know if you could see the settings. Taking away the pegs again. And it's all up to you guys. You're just going into the arena. Battle it out. I'm going to make your balls all big and swollen. Sorry, Aurafox. Aurafox sounds like orifice. Maybe that's why it got to him. Could be, eh? Makes sense, right? 0.9. Balls will be black, not blue. Peg size doesn't matter. We don't need to see them because they're not going to be on the board. Well, here, I'll just show you. There will be no pegs. There's one peg probably right at the top, a little one. And let's just get it out of the view. We don't need to look at it. Apply. We're ready to go. Is he still there? Aurafox? I got one more video. Actually, it's true. I forgot. It's not one video you have to watch. You got to watch 2. You ready to go? Mr. Omnius? Poor guy. I didn't mean to scare him. You know, who knows? He's
like, I ain't watching this shit. He's gone. He's still there.
Ah, he's back. I won't make you watch in there. So, you want to play or not, Mr. What does the fox say? Giveaway. You got to come on. Type in giveaway. We want to get going. Everybody's waiting for you. Impatiently. And it's a rough game. There's a lot of pushing in this game. Pushing and shoving. This isn't a random number generator. There you go. I'll type you in. Do you have a joystick? The players with the joystick. can control their balls a little bit better. And you know what, Aura Fox? It's your first day and you watched the vulgar video. We're going to give you an extra ball. There's Aura Fox and Aura Fox 2. How's that? An extra ball for Aura Fox. Am I nice or what? And you don't even have to watch another video. Okay, I don't remember what I was saying. I just want to get going already because it's 11:12. Omnius, call it down. And
No, I gotta ask the question.
Oh, there's a question. Here it comes.
What was it if it wasn't a fox? Right? It's blah, 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 or a fox. So what's the other choice?
Or a fox. I get it. Cat!
Is it a cat?
I'm going with cat.
Is it a cat
I'm going with cat.
or a fox?
Based on the video we just watched, I'm going with cat.
It seems like a legit question to me. I don't know. I'm just saying it's or a fox. So, well, like, what's the other choice? Is it a dog or a fox, or mouse or a fox? No,
Or a fox,
a hound, right? The fox and the hound. Is it the hound or the fox?
Because he's harassing you, I just stretched his camera.
I wasn't harassing anybody. Somebody had to ask the question.
Harassment.
Golly.
Okay, you ready? Oh, did you guys hit the like button on both our streams?
You're worse than the HR department. What do I gotta do? This one. Fire.
Whoa,
Fire.
no, that's unfair. Fire.
What?
Okay, that's so unfair.
What's unfair?
Because look how many people are going to score before they all come out. Miss K just got points. Other people aren't even out. Mr. Knife Art. Okay, 5 points if you go in to take profit.
Why is the option there then? You tell me fire or burst. I pick fire and you say, that's all right.
That's why I'm going to take it out in version 7. Mr. Knife Art is leading the field with 20 points. If you fall in the take profit pit, you get 5 points. If you fall in the stop out pit, you lose 3 points. The game is running for 2 minutes. The clock is on the top, 1 minute and 24 seconds. Push your opponents out of the way and get yourself into the pit. Mike A with a 30. Whoa, 3 30s up there. Mike A, Johnny A, and Catastrophe.
Hey?
1 minute left. Mike A, 1 minute left. Oh, a couple of players are really playing dirty and knocking everyone around. Aura Fox, way to go. You just went in there. Where are you? You're number 13. And you're number 20. You're not doing too good in this game. Well, you know what? It's your first game. You got to learn how to play. Right now, everyone's probably knocking you around. They know you're the new kid on the block. Mr. Knife. Way to go. Look at you with a 64.
Mike, you didn't put Lewis in?
I will kill you if I didn't put Lewis in. There's no way Lewis isn't in here. He hit a black hole. I am not streaming all week if Lewis wasn't in here.
Thanks, Lewis.
Serious.
Scroll down. Scroll down.
He has to have hit a black hole if he's not in. Hold on. Mr. Knife Art, 74 points. Scroll down doesn't work. That's also version 7. Let's check the names list. Go up to the top. I swear to God.
Lewis is watching you.
How the fuck is that possible, Lewis? No. This is an alternate universe.
I'm taking my balls and leaving.
I just went into an alternate universe. That's just not right. It just doesn't even make sense.
Lewis, we were talking about it earlier. You heard us talking about it. I said, Lewis. I said,
no, he's there.
Where?
Let me check my players list. There's no way. I don't understand how it's possible. I swear to God, Lewis, it's the biggest brain. I had a seizure. I had a, what do you call stroke? Okay, Lewis. Hold on. Oro Fox is in there. I don't know what to. We're gonna do something for you, Lewis. Hold on. Save. I don't know how this happens every day. Maybe it's your fault. I'm playing back the video when you gave me names. Did you give me Lewis?
I just certainly did. Certainly
did. Did you give me Lewis?
I certainly did. Because I was going through the pictures and I said, Lewis is there. I seen it this morning. He typed it in this morning.
I'm going to check. You know that, right? I'm not taking your word for it.
Go check.
Okay.
If I win, you shave your head. If I lose, I'll shave my head.
I never bet unless I'm certain. Lewis, here it is, guys, for all of you to see, because if I enter into another dimension again, Lewis 2, Lewis 3, Lewis 4.
All right, game's got to be fair now.
It's fair. Lewis 5. If I did that to somebody else, I would do the same thing. I'm sorry. That's just how it works. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Burst. We have to make it up to him. Let's see how the odds have changed. Everybody has one ball out of 25. So they have a 1 in 25 chance. That's 4%. And Lewis has 20%.
So the damage has been done.
Lewis has a 20%. Whoa, Lewis is in first, second, and third place. Lewis controls the board.
Looks like it keeps glitching. Did it glitch? What the hell's going on?
No. It's your thing. You know what's happening, eh? Lewis 1, 2, and 3 are scoring points. Lewis 4 and 5 are knocking all the other balls out of the way. Hey, it doesn't guarantee him a win. Maddie, I don't know who that is very close.
Mm-hmm.
And so is Catastrophe. Catastrophe again. Catastrophe in the tie for the lead with 47 seconds to go. Lewis 3 grabbed the lead again. Oh, Lewis 3 is running away with it again. Let's watch Lewis 3.
Man, sub of the week and you still get left out. Oh, shit.
Boom, boom, boom. Look at all those points. You guys are racking up the points. It's a good day. Price action is favorable. 18 seconds. Lewis, you have a 3-point lead on yourself. Lewis will walk away with this one.
Well,
Maybe not.
Ooh.
Maybe not. He got it taken away from him. No way. 85-84. Matty Nix takes it from him by a point.
1 point. Oh, my
He
goodness.
was in second and third. Matty Nix. I don't remember who won the first one. That was super fun, though. You see how much fun it is to do that?
Who did win the first one?
I don't remember. I leave that to you. You're the record keeper. You're the official record keeper.
Shit. Fucked that up, didn't I?
Fuck off today. Seriously.
Hey, guys,
Okay.
who won the first game?
Yeah. Don't make me watch the video. It takes so long. Control V. 18. I'm definitely getting a migraine today. That's not cool. Who won this one?
Bang said you can only have a certain amount of players because he doesn't see himself on the board.
Yeah. It only shows Banks is on the bottom, number 20, right there.
Yeah, Bangs, I see you, number 20. 14
20.
points.
And the scroll bar would show the others, but it doesn't work yet. That's in version 7, 8, and 9. So, yeah. Bangs, you're right there, Bangs. See where my mouse is? There you are. You're there. Don't worry about it. So this is Matty Nix. Matty, K-N-I-C-K-S.
Gotcha.
Did we get a report?
Eventually,
Did we get
guys, and we're working on it. So when I say eventually, whenever
the game will work properly.
whenever like we get past the other 10 million things that we have to do, eventually when you type in giveaway, it's going to go right into a list, and then it's going to be up to y'all to make sure you're on the list.
Yeah, so dipshit Mike can't screw it up every night.
No. When you have to type in 30 different names, it happens. But we are working on getting it so when you type in the giveaway, it goes right into the list. So there shouldn't be no issues unless you didn't type it in.
So who won? Was it Mike A?
I don't
Mr.
know.
Knife Art? The game before?
I don't know.
Did anybody type in GG's?
Skeletor
All
did.
right. Okay. So then we'll have to go and watch. That's who we'll give it to. I mean, whoever got it. File, save. Okay, Lewis, that was your one chance at redemption. Now you only get one name in there. I'm sorry. I tried. I had fun. There we go, Lewis. Save and apply. Lewis is there. Now we have 23 players loaded. So we had 27 in the last game. Okay, Omnius, I'll let you call this last one out. I'm going to just sit back and drink coffee. You tell me when you want me to...
Since we're doing the Bullinox giveaway, you want to take a second to talk about Bullinox?
No, you? I'll let you do it.
Maybe half a second. Guys, Bullinox, 89% off, reoccurring. Codes in the description. All right, go.
If it was me, I was just going to say Bullinox. Burst.
Bullinox.
Sing the Bullinox song.
Is it a bull or a fox?
Is it a bull or a fox?
Huh?
Let's go. Come on, we need a game announcer. I'm sitting back.
Oh, I'm a terrible game announcer. 43,
Yeah, you get-
42, 41.
What are you doing counting down the timer?
Who do we got?
Let me ask.
We got Nicole first place, Mr. Knife Art second place. Stop loss. We got to shorten these now. I can't read them fast enough. We got Skeletor sixth place, fifth place. What we got? Where's Bangs at? Make sure he's in there. 13th. Lewis 17th. Guys, you got to go into the green pit, the green mosh pit.
Bangs just went into the pit. He's not appearing yet, so he's down below still. He's not going into the pit too often.
Bangs on 13.
Oh, is he? Oh, there he is. Yeah, okay.
Still Mr. Knife Art, number 1, 55. Was that Nicholas?
Nicholas.
Ooh, Skeletor pushing up. No skills.
Nicolasa.
No
Like a
skills.
Greek
Second.
name.
Get it. I'm tired of
Mr.
talking already.
Mr. Knife Art really learned how to play very quickly. He's just falling into the pit like at a crazy rate here. 61. No one's going to catch him. There's 16 seconds. Oh, he just took a stop. He took a stop. He may have opened the door for somebody.
Got Nicholas 51. Can take a last second lead. 4, 3, 56. Come on, you got whoa.
2 points, Mr. Knife Art. Okay, let's write it in.
Good job,
The
Mr.
books.
Knife Art.
That was fun. Who do we have qualifying? Well, we have one unknown. We got to look it up. But so far this week, Starboy, No Skills, SP King, James G, Flowers HVAC, Lewis, No Skills, has a second ball, Maddie Nix, and Mr. Knife Art. A nice rounded field. We continue on our journey during the week. leading to the finals on Friday. Don't miss the finals on Friday, guys. That moment of silence was brought to you by
Shout out to Luis, Gator the Malinois, our sub of the week. Not only does he call the markets like a pro, helps fix phantom order bugs in NinjaTrader, and wins eval accounts, making him an absolute legend, this one's for you, Luis. Glad to have you a part of the Omnius Trades and Futures Floor New York Open live stream.
Hello?
I was playing a video. You didn't tell me you were playing it.
Well, I don't know how to communicate that to you.
Lewis, from 17th to 8th. Not bad. No, we have fun, guys. We have fun playing the games. Want to have fun, relax after a stressful day of trading. But once again, how great that we can trade for a few hours a day. Beats 10 hours of being a roofer.
Promise?
I told you I was going to get a sign put on my wall so you can always be a roofer.
Thanks, Mikey.
Don't like your trading discipline? Always be a roofer.
Thanks for joining us. And guys, you know what? We don't say it often enough. Thanks for using our codes, eh? We really appreciate the support of the channel. The channel's growing, and we're always grateful for you guys. Unfortunately, we can't call you out because, by name, because we don't know. We're not told who, they don't provide the names. But we see that you guys are using the codes, and we're very grateful for it. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. When you guys support the channel, it gives a good warm spot in the heart for us.
Also, guys,
good about what we do.
Sorry. Also, guys,
that was just
remember to like on your way out. Let's YouTube know, bring in more people. That's what we're trying to do. We do some other things, and purpose of those things is to try to get more people into the stream, build a community. So appreciate you guys liking the stream, sharing the stream. You got any communities or something, share the stream there. Any trading discords or something, share with your friends. YouTube, unfortunately, is not going to do it, so it's up to us to spread the word. Also, guys, I got a video out about the price line indicator. Go watch it. Also, the indicators in the folder. So go to Discord, go to indicators. I'll take you to the Google Drive, get you the price line indicator. Worked on it yesterday. That way, you guys, anybody using NinjaTrader, have a nice price line indicator. Easy to use. All the defaults should work great. And that's about it. Bullonox Apex sales, you ask about it. They're having the sales. Go hit them up. Appreciate you guys. Also, the evening stream, me and Mike hang out. We're in the chat. We're there. You can talk with us. Hang out with us if you want to. Otherwise, see you guys tomorrow morning. Mike?
Bye.
The trading day is done. The charts have had their say. Bulls and bears have battled. Now we call it a day. With Nasdaq's lessons learned and futures still in sight, we'll be back tomorrow chasing profits right. Streams ending soon, but we'll meet again. The markets never sleep. This is not the end. Own your future now. Let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real. Some wins, some losses, that's the trader's way. We learn, adapt, and come back to play. Tomorrow brings new moves, new chances to sway. So rest up now, we'll be back to trade. Stream's ending soon, but we'll meet again. Markets never sleep, this is not the end. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real. So close the books, take a breath, unwind. The market's rhythm will always shine. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real. Stream's ending soon, but we'll meet again. Markets never sleep, this is not the end. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real. Some wins, some losses, that's the trader's way. We learn, adapt, and come back to play. Tomorrow brings new moves, new chances to sway. So rest up now, we'll be back to trade. So close the books, take a breath, unwind. The market's rhythm will always shine. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real. Well, the trading day is done, the charts have had their say. Bulls and bears have battled, now we call it a day. With Nasdaq's lessons learned, and futures still in sight, we'll be back tomorrow, chasing profits right. Stream's ending soon, but we'll meet again. Markets never sleep, this is not the end. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real. Some wins, some losses, that's the trader's way. We learn, adapt, and come back to play. Tomorrow brings new moves, new chances to sway. So rest up now, we'll be back to trade. Stream's ending soon, but we'll meet again. Markets never sleep, this is not the end. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real. So close the books, take a breath, unwind. The market's rhythm will always shine. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real. Stream's ending soon, but we'll meet again. Markets never sleep, this is not the end. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real. Some wins, some losses, that's the trader's way. We learn, adapt, and come back to play. Tomorrow brings new moves, new chances to sway. So rest up now, we'll be back to trade. So close the books, take a breath, unwind. The market's rhythm will always shine. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real.